This video walks you through how to run a Trust Ledger report in Clio Manage. Begin by signing into your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This opens the reporting area where you can access different report types available in your account. From there, switch to the Classic Reports tab. Inside that tab, find and select Trust Ledger. This opens the report setup screen for Trust Ledger reporting, where you can define exactly what information you want included before the report is created. Next, choose the report criteria. You will see options for client, trust account, practice area, and report options. Select the client if you want the report tied to a specific matter or client record. Choose the correct trust account before moving on, especially if your account includes more than one. Then set the practice area if that is part of how you want to narrow the results. If there are additional report options you want to include, select those here as well so the report matches the details you need. After that, move to the remaining report settings. Select the breakdown detail level based on how much transaction detail you want to see in the final report. Then choose the date range that should be covered. Make sure the range matches the period you want to review, since that setting controls which trust transactions appear. Once the date range is set, choose the output format you want to use for the report. When all of the criteria and settings are in place, click Generate Report. Clio Manage will begin preparing the report. Depending on the amount of data included, this may take a moment. When the notification appears, click Trust Ledger Report. That opens the generated report so you can view the results directly. If the notification does not appear right away, give it a brief moment to finish processing, then open the report from the notification when it becomes available. With the report open, review the ledger details to confirm the information shown matches the client, trust account, date range, and other criteria you selected. This is the point where you can look through the entries, balances, and transaction history included in the report. If you need a copy outside Clio Manage, use the available option to print or download the report. The exact option you choose will depend on how you plan to use it, whether that is for a printed record, a saved file, or sharing within your normal workflow. If you only need to review the information on screen, you can stop here once the report looks correct. Your Trust Ledger report has now been generated and is ready to review, print, or download.